What in the heck is this? Snowstorms. Snowstorms on April 4th. That is, that's something. Not something good necessarily, but it's definitely something. Holy cow. I'm not sure I'm entirely getting this weather pattern. I think I'm going to get my signs warmed up. I got a couple of the earth is ending signs and we're all doomed and everybody buy some bread and milk. But I think this is the time for those signs, so I'm going to get those. No, it looks like the mount for my camera's bouncing around a bit much, so I'm going to cut that off. Anyways, end is near. You get the point.